and it's about 1 o'clock right now. It's just me and my husband. We left the girls at my parents because we came to the laundromat. We had to wash the sleeping bag because Mavis puked on it the other day. Actually gonna go out to the store, run some errands, and just kind of have a day to ourselves for a couple hours, and then we'll go and pick them up. I want to go thrifting and see if I can find anything, and I got some editing done in the cafe next to the laundromat that we went to, so that was really nice. Goodwill is really so expensive. Went to Value Village and it was very disappointing. There was nothing in there and they're so expensive. I saw a sweater for $10.99 and for a couple more dollars I can buy something brand new. So their prices I feel like are a little bit higher than Goodwill, so we're gonna go to Goodwill. I don't have anything particular that I'm looking for. I just go in with an open mind and see if there's anything nice in there. I always go to the baby section first, and then I go to like the house decors, and then I will circle my way back to like the women's clothing, which is kind of the last thing I look at, because if I don't really want to shop for myself, then I just look at the items for myself last, so that way I'm not really tempted to buy anything. I just got done shopping in Goodwill and I did get a shirt, and I got Mavis a shirt along with a really cute backpack. It feels so weird not to have our girls with us because we're just so used to having them all the time. I've been feeling kind of anxious all day. I don't know if it's also because I drink coffee too, but I just have to remember that they're in good hands. They're with my parents and we'll see them in a couple of hours. We just left the second Goodwill location and I did find some stuff in there. We're gonna go pick up our girls now. This is the longest I've been without them in a while and I really miss them, so I can't wait to see them. I didn't want to film in there because there's actually a lot of people and it's been a long day already, so I just wanted to go through and look at everything I wanted to and try to get out there as fast as I can. Good morning guys, it is Thursday and it's about 8:30. I want to say, actually I lied, it's 9 o'clock already, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I actually ended up staying up until almost, I think, 2:30, close to 3. I am so sleepy today. I can definitely feel it. My brain feels very foggy. I feel like there's so many places that I want to go to, but it's harder when you have younger kids. But when we didn't have our girls with us, I felt like we had no idea where we wanted to go. We felt so empty without them because we're just so used to having our girls with us. I like having my kids with me because I just want to spend every chance I can with them, even though it's not anything like fun or it's just running errands. I just want to be with them. I feel like more and more people are thrifting now, like even during the weekday. Even yesterday when we went, I feel like there was a lot of people for a Wednesday, which really took me by surprise. A lot of the brands that I see at my local thrifting stores are like Target, Banana Republic, Old Navy, and Shein. Hey guys, it is Saturday and it's about like 11 o'clock right now. I started decluttering downstairs because Edith is getting too big for all of the clothing that we have for her right now, so I had to go dig up Mavis's 6 to 9 months, and I also need to look for all the clothes that my brother and sister-in-law donated for us before we even had kids. And I'm trying my best this year not to buy as much, especially when I know I don't need it, to save money. Such a nice day. It's gonna be 60 degrees today and I just want to go out there and sunbathe, and I sat out there for a couple minutes to drink my coffee and it felt so good. I cannot wait for the warmer weather. I cannot wait to just open the door and have my daughter play outside so that I don't have to worry about like bundling her up. My youngest is slowly waking up right now, and I toasted some croissant bread for myself. I did some decluttering and I have a few dresses that I want to sell. It's the season right now. Prom is gonna be in a couple of months. I feel like my chances of making a little bit more money right now is a little bit better versus the last time when I donated it. They only gave me like 18 bucks, which I should have bargained for at least 20, because honestly the amount they gave me, I can't even go and buy the same piece that I donated to them. I just want to start fresh, you know. I just want to get rid of all this baggage that I am carrying around. Even though I don't like see it in the back of my mind, I know I have all that stuff. It's just so exhausting. Like, I just feel like there's this rock on top of me that just keeps pushing me down to the bottom of this earth. I have this bin full of clothing that I'm gonna go and sell. I also have a box full of shoes that I'm also gonna try to sell. Whatever it doesn't sell, it's gonna go into donations. As you guys saw, I packed the trunk with everything that I am gonna try and sell. Everything that I have is still in like really good condition. It's just that they're too small for me. I'm not 16 anymore. I already donated a trunk load of stuff yesterday. I just wanna go into the new year having less. I already decluttered this closet once, and then I just went through it again, and I just found pieces that even though I knew I liked, but honestly I wasn't gonna wear them. I already know what kind of clothes I'm gonna wear right now because of the type of body I have. I just had to tell myself that I can always buy new clothes when I have the body that I want. I have fat, you know, in places that I wish I didn't, but that's just the body that I am dealing with right now. It doesn't serve a purpose to just buy it and have it sit there and collect dust. I am so exhausted. I was up until 1 o'clock last night just moving stuff around. I didn't get the chance to clean the kitchen, so I'm gonna do that this morning. So we just dropped off the rest of the clothes off at Goodwill. I made $137 total from both stores, and the first one they took, I think, 18 items, and then the second store they took 36. So I'm glad that I no longer have these in my possession. Having a whole bunch of clothes that are just sitting around and not really serving any purpose. Knowing that you own that many items, it's crazy. I've had these things ever since I was like 15 to 16 years old, so I've had it for a very long time. I have a really hard time parting with things because I think about like the memories I have with it, and just knowing that like it's something that's mine and I'm just giving it away. It just, I don't know, I just have a hard time letting things go in general, but getting better at it and just realizing that it's not any better just having it laying around the house unless I'm actually like using it or wearing it. There's really no point of owning it. I originally was gonna do this tomorrow on a Monday and just have my parents watch my girls, but everything is so heavy, so I'm really glad that his cousins were able to help watch Mavis so that my husband can help me carry the items. I was telling my husband that I feel 100 pounds lighter just getting rid of things, so I'm very proud of myself.